Red light therapy. Uncover the surprising benefits for wellness. Imagine a therapy that can reduce pain, improve skin health, and accelerate healing, all without medication. Red light therapy, RLT, a natural treatment that uses low-level red wavelengths of light, is gaining popularity in the wellness world. Known for its gentle yet powerful benefits, red light therapy has become a trusted tool for health enthusiasts and athletes alike. Let's explore what makes red light therapy so effective and why you might want to consider adding it to your wellness routine. Red light therapy works by penetrating the skin with wavelengths that target cells, promoting healing and rejuvenation. The light, typically delivered through LED panels or specialized devices, stimulates cellular energy production and encourages natural processes such as collagen production and inflammation reduction. With a range of therapeutic applications, red light therapy offers numerous advantages for both physical and aesthetic wellness. Enhances skin health and reduces aging signs. One of the most celebrated benefits of red light therapy is its ability to improve skin health. By stimulating collagen production, red light helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging, leading to a smoother, more youthful complexion. Its gentle effect on the skin also makes it a great choice for managing conditions like acne and eczema, reducing redness and inflammation naturally without the need for harsh chemicals. Relieves pain and reduces inflammation. Red light therapy is widely used for pain relief, as it can reach deep tissue and alleviate discomfort from chronic conditions, such as arthritis and joint pain. By reducing inflammation at the cellular level, RLT helps improve blood circulation, promoting quicker recovery for injured muscles and tissues. This makes it especially valuable for athletes or anyone who struggles with persistent pain. Speeds up muscle recovery and enhances performance. For those who engage in intense physical activity, red light therapy can be a game changer. By accelerating cellular repair, it helps muscles recover faster after workouts and reduces soreness, allowing individuals to return to training more quickly. Research even suggests that consistent use can enhance endurance, making RLT a favored tool for fitness enthusiasts and athletes looking to maximize their performance. Boosts mental health and reduces fatigue. The benefits of red light therapy aren't just physical. Studies have shown that RLT can positively impact mental health by increasing serotonin levels, helping reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. It also aids in regulating sleep cycles, which helps combat fatigue and enhances mood, giving users a natural way to improve overall well-being. Incorporating red light therapy into your routine, whether at home with a device or through sessions at a clinic, can unlock a wealth of benefits that are both safe and non-invasive. With its skin, muscle, and mental health advantages, RLT offers a balanced approach to wellness that anyone can enjoy. Have you tried red light therapy yet? What benefits are you most excited to experience?